see a lassie, a lassie, a lassie? Did you ever see a lassie go this way and that?
Theo? Theo!
When Theo was born, I couldn't even hold him. Okay, I was afraid I was gonna drop him. I'm a terrible mother.
You're a wonderful mother. And a wonderful friend.
I just want you to be happy too.
Max? Max, get down. It's not safe. Max! Céline!
Did you ever see a lassie go this
Theo?
way?
Max is gone.
It wasn't easy bringing you into this world. Now you've left it too soon.
Go this way.
You need to separate the grief from the guilt.
What guilt, Alice? Something's broken inside of me, and I need you.
I saw the look in her eyes. She thinks that I should have saved her son.
Is that coming from her or you?
You think I'm imagining things?
We're not going down this path again.
You're right. God knows I can get carried away sometimes.
Can Theo come over for a little bit?
It's amazing how quickly you forgot my son.
Our son. It helps me to spend time with Theo, but it helps him too.
Do you miss him?
Celine's my friend.
Get off the balcony!
Alice, what's wrong? Did you put Theo on that balcony to test me?
Do you think I'm capable of that?
She wants us to pay for Max.
You're just accusing me of being some kind of monster.
You're losing touch with reality.
Leave my family alone!
I'm not imagining things.
Did you ever see a lassie go this way?